everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we have an unboxing. Now I know I haven't done many of these this year, but I am super excited about this one. We have two things to unbox. The first one comes from RocknRomance, and they are a company that is over in the United Kingdom. I really like them. I have ordered from them one time before, and I love the skirt that I got. So they had a sale for Black Friday. It was a buy one get one free sale. So I'm super excited to open this one and to see what it looks like just in person. They had a lot of cute stuff online. I did order a skirt and a blouse. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So the first one I've got is a skirt, and it looks super cute. And the second piece I got was a dark green, almost like a forest green blouse. So here is the blouse, and it is a wraparound blouse, and you can tighten it or loosen it up, which is what I really like about this blouse. So I really love this color as well. Can't wait to try it on and see what it actually looks like. But it should look something kind of like a wrap. So that was the first one. Second one is the skirt. So I really like this color. I don't have anything in this color. It buttons all the way down, and it is super long. I'll try it on for you guys, let you guys see it. I did order this in a bigger size this time. Their sizes are a little bit different than US sizes. They have a chart and everything that kind of tells you, but I did order somewhat bigger because last time the skirt was a little bit tight. I was very unsure about the sizing, so I did get a bigger size in the shirt and the skirt. But this is the back of it, and then the front of it. I can't wait to try this on. It looks really cute. So our next package is going to come from Unique Vintage, and as you guys know, I have ordered from them before a couple of things. I did get a blouse and a skirt. They had a $25 sale going on for Black Friday, so I kind of hopped on that, but I do like their stuff, and this video is not sponsored in any way. So let's open this one up and see what it looks like. So we've got a blouse in black, and then I've also got a skirt in kind of like a plaid kind of color design, and it did come with a belt, I see, so that's good. So this is the blouse. Really like it. It's kind of got a little bit of a big sleeve in it. Love that it's got an opening here, and it ties with a little bow. This is the back of it. And I'll try to get like a close-up of the sleeves and everything, and I'll try it on so you guys can see it. So we have a belt, and they've got it kind of elastic piece around it. I love when the skirts come with matching belts. I really love that, and you can always accessorize them with other skirts. So here's the belt. So here's the skirt, and I also ordered this one. I ordered it in a large. I'm hoping that that's going to be big enough. I think I have done large, extra large, usually in their stuff. But this is what this one looks like. I don't have anything in this color. It's not as wide as the one from RocknRomance, but it will still look great with a petticoat on up under it. And it has a zipper in the back, so that's how we're going to get into this one, hopefully. But I really, really like this color. This is super cute. I can't wait to try it all on. Okay guys, so here's the first skirt and blouse. Absolutely love this one. This one is very flowy. It's very like whimsical. Really, really love it. I did get the skirt a little bit big, but that's totally okay. I'd rather it be a little bit big than tight. The shirt fits really good, and you can tighten it or loosen it however you want it. Really, really love that. Love the material. It's super soft, super lightweight. Really love it. I love the buttons that are all the way down the front. Really, really love this one. My favorite so far. Okay guys, so here's the second outfit. Really like the shirt. It is a little bit tighter than the one I had on, but I mean, that's totally okay. I like the little peekaboo that is kind of got here. That's super cute. The sleeves are really cute. Now the skirt, oh, and it does have pockets. The skirt is a little bit stiffer material, and it's not as flowy as that one. But it does have pockets on it, which I really, really like, and I mean, they're pretty big pockets. I just wish it was a little bit bigger. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get a petticoat on up under this one, but I do like the color, and it did come with a belt. I just kind of styled it over top of the shirt, but the belt is super, super cute. Like I said, you guys will have to let me know which one is your favorite. So far, I do think that RocknRomance was my favorite skirt. Now, I do like this shirt, and this shirt will go really, really well with that skirt. Like a match and match, which I really, really like. So I hope you guys do like this video. Let me know which one was your favorite, and if you have ordered from them before. And I will see you guys back here in my next video. Bye!